Hello, in this video, I will show you how to fix PowerPoint Designer not working. First, open your PowerPoint. The first thing you can check is your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to your internet. And after you're connected to your internet, also make sure that you're signed into your account. Sign into your account like this. I am already signed in. This is where you can sign in with your account. After you do that, make sure you update your PowerPoint. You can check if you have the recent updated PowerPoint and see if it's updated. After you update it, you may have to check if it's enabled. For you to check that it's enabled, go to File, then go to Options. Then under General, right under Here, you can see the option that tells you that Enable Designer feature. Then once you enable it, click on OK, and that's the ways you can try, and you're done.